Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. So here you can see one of my student name is Muhammad Riyas. So live in Bashansop. So actually I will ask some questions from our Hindi language to English. So viewers, I hope you will see from first to last in this video. So okay, let's see now. Hite jolti sate dhunje ziyanat dwara hite foribe.
He ran so fast that he fell.
Okay, fori jabe na. Hite beshi mota ziyanat dwara ite adi na pare.
He is so fat that he cannot walk.
Okay. Ebuka dharo ziyanat dwara bukare forite lamba time laibo.
This book is thick that it will take a long time to read.
Okay. Hite goa kuf intelligent ziyanat dwara ite zehono swalore solve gorit pare.
He is so intelligent that he can solve any question.
Okay. Hite goa বেশি ঢর করে লম্বা করে কিসকিসায়ে জিয়ানত দ্বারা আতরাফকল ঘুমতুন উড়িয়ে
He shouted so loudly that the night bird wake up.
ওকে হিতে গানগা বেশি বালা করিয়ে জিয়ানত দ্বারা মানুষের কলেজ আছে হাঁদে যেহেতে ইতার ইন ফোনে
He sings so well that people cry when they hear him.
ওকে গুড থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ